Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you saw in yesterday's video, I wasn't too pleased about the way the back top portion of that is. That right there is just too much of a 90. And well, so I'll show you the picture, the Photoshop that I did compared to what I did here. And I want you guys to tell me if you think that I matched it up pretty good. So if you're looking down here, now is that what you would expect to see on a Model A Ford? Right there. Okay, so keep an eye on it. Okay, so now you can see in the back how it used to be and how she is now. Okay, so I changed that back portion of it. It pulled it forward a little bit more than what I wanted, but you can see now I got more of that desired curvature that I wanted. So now she's more like what I want. That is looking like a Model A Ford. Now, trick of it is, can I copy that over to there? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that one off, like I did that one, and I'm going to take it, put it next to it, and that'll tell me what I need to do. And then I should be able to replicate what I got there. And then I'm going to have to play it little by little. I mean, that's a hell of a difference compared to what it was. I mean, damn, that looks a hell of a lot better. That looked more like a Model A Ford. What do you think? A lot better than that damn thing. Hell of a lot better than what used to be there. I mean, it would have been okay, but it just, I don't think I really would have been fully happy with it. But if you look here, she's coming down just like the way I want. Now, of course, this is just laying there loose, but she's going to come right up to that line there, so she's going to look like that. So, that's where the fender is going to lay with that. And then I got to figure out how I'm going to connect that, because I may have to end up getting rid of this, or I may keep it like that. So hang tight, I'll be right back. And so I had to take a phone call right quick, but so yeah, I think I'm on the right direction now. You can see the height difference in that thing. Don't pay attention to that. Pay attention here. Yeah, there you go. See that? Woohoo! Boy, does she look nice. Alright, so I think this is where I was standing at. No. I was standing at right here in the picture when I took that picture that I'm putting up here. You'll see the picture up here, and then you'll see the video here. But then you'll see what I did. Yeah, so I think that looks pretty damn close. Yeah, so a little bit more. Jeez, man, I got a lot more to do. So the sheet metal's a little, you know, a little bent, wavy, but I can smooth it out, make it happen. It'll take a little bit, but I'll get her to go. I know what's happened is my welds right here, they're forcing the steel out this way, and then when I tack down on this, it left a crease here. So when I cut that, pry this out and cut this, I want to tack that in there, and then I want to tack weld, do the same thing. It's happened at every single spot that I did that, and that's why it's got these lines right here. And so I got a relief cut here, tack weld, and get it back together, but she'll be fine. She's starting to look more like a car. Yep. So That's all I could do for now because a thunderstorm's getting ready to come in. And so, unfortunately, I got to call it quits early. But we made progress. So, I appreciate you all stopping in and watching. Remember to get out and do something every day. You'll be glad you did. And hope you all come back and watch me again. And hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. And thank you all for stopping in and watching. Y'all have a good one. See y'all next time.